Typically, work stays at work and salads are pretty plain. Tonight is anything but typical. I'm making a kale mango salad with cherry tomatoes, avocado, and roasted almonds. For this dish you'll need a bunch of kale, cherry tomatoes, olive oil and balsamic vinegar, a mango, avocado, and red onion, and a handful of almonds. Wash and dry the veggies, then start by removing the stems off of the kale. Chop roughly and place it in a bowl. Next, slice your onion in half, peel any dry skin, then chop a quarter of it and set it aside. Cut the avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the inside out with a spoon. Then lay it flat and chop it into cubes. Throw the onion and avocado on top, then start cutting the cherry tomatoes. Keep everything bite-sized. You'll thank yourself later. Put a skillet on high heat and while it's heating up, start dicing the mango. If you've never diced a mango before, here are the Coles notes. Cut around the pit, score it lengthwise then crosswise without cutting through the skin, then turned inside out. Voila! As you're finishing the mango, place the almonds in the hot skillet for a minute or two, shaking them often. Drop the mango on top of the salad and give it all a light toss with your hands. Once the almonds are roasted, take them off the heat and scatter them over the salad. For the dressing, just mix half balsamic vinegar, half olive oil, some fresh ground pepper, and a pinch of salt. Give it a quick swirl, then get a plate. Grab a handful of the salad and set it on the dish. Make sure you get some of the good stuff from the bottom. Finally, drizzle it lightly with the oil and vinegar dressing. Grab a cold drink, clear a little space, and dig in. Work never tasted so good.